Hey everyone, we're back with another amazing update to the Fullscope platform. This one has to do with your email campaigns. It used to be if you wanted to create a template for an email campaign, it could only either be through a code editor or through our visual design editor. Now we've made your life even simpler if you just want to send plain text emails and save them as templates for your automations or email sequences or whatever it might be. If you don't want to go through the trouble to create a whole designed email, and there are many good reasons why you might not want to do that, and now you can create templates with a plain text editor. To do so, all you have to do is come over to marketing, to the email section, and here to templates. And once we click new here and a blank template, and as you can see, now we have this plain text editor option. Used to be we only had these two, the design and code editor. Now you have the option to do plain text. So if I select this, then it's just going to open up a page where I can create a plain text email. And just again, for whatever reason you might want to do this, that choice is of course yours as a business owner, as a freelancer, but now you have the option to create these templates with plain text. You no longer are kind of forced to use our design editor or the code editor. So one more bit of flexibility that we're now providing you in the Fullscope platform. We hope this will be useful to you. If you have any questions about setting up and using these new plain text email templates, then just reach out to our team in the support portal in your account, and we will see you in the next update video.